catch and cook challenge. What the challenge is?
I don't know.
He can't hunt, so he don't know. Oh, I thought we got our first squirrel already. But yeah, we about to do a little squirrel and catch and cook. I got my boy Dorian right here.
We're gonna try.
Try something. So the challenge is gonna be first person to kill 2 squirrels win, and the loser gotta take a bite of the squirrel heart. You agree with that?
They do.
Good. Y'all stay tuned. So we got our first squirrel right here. Look. Come here. See him? Bro, he right there. Wait, hold on. Wait. Let me zoom in. Don't shoot.
I'm about to.
I don't see him no more.
They're right there. I'm about to shoot.
Wait, where he go? Put a bullet in it. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Let me help you. Wait.
I think he dead.
Oh, hold on, wait. Yeah, don't shoot him. He dead. Oh, good shot.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Our first squirrel down. That was too easy. How many shots you got?
I hit him on the first one, but he got.
First squirrel on the ground. Oh. Let's see. That was lucky. Oh, buddy's still hanging on. Oh, we got to.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he gonna fall. Hey, shake the tree and make him fall. Yeah. That's crazy, bro. Nah, don't shoot him, man. Don't shoot him. He gonna fall. Let's see. Oh, he's still going.
Man, bro.
Wait. Yeah, bro. Go ahead and put one in his head if you can. Sir. Boy got his first kill.
First hunting kill.
Hold it. All right, so we got the first squirrel down, doing 0-1.
Yes, sir.
So I'm on the gun next. He probably shot like 3 times. So we got like 2 to 3 shots apiece. So we might not even need the head mount because it was too easy. That's easy to get them. You can put them on top of the trailer. How you want to cook it? What you think you want to do? Fry it or?
Huh?
You want to fry it? Fry it. Got a little squirrel in this. Think one in this. So it's like the only motion you gonna see. You know what I'm saying?
Pretty much, yeah.
So you just like listen or look like it. Just stop every few feet and then look. It's not hard to find. Cause I got like someone, it's somewhere, it's somewhere Bitcoin out here. So. Oh, my pop said they already down here by the box. Stay tuned. We're still looking for more squirrels. We got a squirrel. Let's go. Let go. Oh. He's somewhere like right in this area. So when we start back walking, probably gonna try to take off. You just gotta run him up the tree. Well, I can shoot him on the ground if he's still on the ground. No, he you take the camera. I really think he went inside this. He lost it. A lot of the squirrels when we near the house, I kind of want to go back towards the house instead of that way. But I mean, they everywhere. But let's go see if we can get that one. What you think?
What,
The
back
one that we left.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, just like that. So I'm back. Dorian had to leave. He got like a 13-hour drive back home. So he had to go. But so far he winning challenge, even though he left. But he got the first squirrel. I haven't seen the squirrel yet to shoot. So I'm gonna continue on the hunt and try to even it out. Cause I really don't want to eat the squirrel hunt. But I'm gonna give it like another 20 minutes. If I don't kill the squirrel, then you know what that means. I lost the challenge. So, but stay tuned. I'll see y'all when I got a squirrel. Okay, so that was way harder than it should have been, but it was fun. That squirrel just got away. But I'm gonna keep going anyway, because it's fun. So let's try to find another one and keep going. I'm not gonna stop hunting until I get at least 2 squirrels. I'll see y'all again. Stay tuned and wait till we get another opportunity. There we go. Let's see, buddy. Come on. Ground. Hit the ground. Come on, buddy. 2 years later, I finally got the squirrel. Whew, that was a struggle. Actually, since I had like this eye surgery, I haven't been able to shoot. I was just rabbit hunting last weekend. I missed like 5 rabbits, so I don't think it's me. I don't think it's never been this hard to kill a squirrel. Like, it's not this hard. A little blood, but I don't know if I should show this. Make sure he doesn't run away from me. Oh yeah, definitely gone. Anyway, let's get the squirrel clean and cooked up. Oh, that's so hard. Ready to do this catch, clean, and cook with the squirrel that we just killed. So I let it marinate for a couple of hours now. It's probably good and ready to go. I'm probably gonna do like a simple gravy recipe. I'm pretty sure everyone is pretty familiar with that. It's like making gravy with like rabbits and squirrels. It's one of like the more traditional ways of cooking a wild game. So yeah, stay tuned for that part. I'll see you in the kitchen. Nancy Jane. Let's see what Nancy, whatever her name is, but put this in here. Ain't done it. Look at that. A binder, binder. Uh-oh. What do we call it? Going, so let's see. Get that going. I'm gonna season the batter lightly, you know. Just a little bit of all-purpose. Can't go wrong with all purposes for all purposes. What I could do better, change or improve. Let me see. Simple and easy. There you go. It's the bad part, huh? We getting there. We got our squirrel nice and brown on each side like this. I like to get a lot of the little pieces out. It's probably good for flavor, but I don't like the texture of it inside the gravy. It's just the flour and water. So I'll just simply just, dump it in. So I like the like a pan for myself. I just made a little less this time. I haven't done it in a while, but still come out okay. Put the lid on it and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes just to let the gravy kind of soak into the meat. I didn't short myself on the gravy on purpose, you know. My mistake, but let's see. It look good. See how they taste. Just not playing around. We got really good. So that's it for this video. I appreciate everyone for watching and supporting the channel. I do a lot off the camera, so just let me know in the comments what y'all would like to see different and what I could have done better with the squirrel. But thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.